How to fix if your WhatsApp is not working on Android. So if your WhatsApp application is not working on Android, there are several ways for us to fix this. First of all, you want to identify that it is not the issue with your internet. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa. Second thing, on any Android device, whenever you long press the WhatsApp eye icon, you can tap on this little eye icon which will be shown. When you tap on this, it will take you to the app information page over here. And from the app information page, you can go to storage and make sure to clear the cache files. Now, unless you've backed up your chats, do not tap on clear data because that is going to reset your application and you will lose all your chats if you have not backed up. Then lastly, you can simply go to your Play Store or your App Store and simply search for WhatsApp, and you simply have to check if the WhatsApp app has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. And hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.